Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 22nd, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for ADA. You guys can see right here, we already have a price prediction ongoing into the market for this cryptocurrency. We're going to break it down to see whether or not the market will continue to go lower in price, or will we actually see Cardano trade sideways within our two lines. So before I break that down, if today's your first time ever viewing our content, y'all appreciate how we're not here to give you any FOMO, any FUD. We simply worry about where the price is going to go. Make sure you tap that bell notification, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and continually come back to this channel, because we're not going to hype you all up on these coins that many people are trying to pump and then dump. We're simply worried about where price is going to go, so we can already be in position and anticipate where the price is going to go right before anyone else sees it. So if you all want to become part of our team, part of our community, make sure before you leave that you do all those things that I've just mentioned earlier. So April the 19th was the last time we did our price prediction in the market in Cardano. As you all can tell visually, we were playing the weakness into the market, expecting the price in Cardano to drop in value. You guys can see for the most part, we did see the market in Cardano following our price prediction right here on the 20th of April, expecting the market did drop, right? And we came right down and held $1.15. We mentioned that on our video to see whether or not the market will be able to hold that area for support, and it did. And the market on the following day, on the 21st of April, you guys can see we still ran into weakness. So what the market is transitioning over is literally this area right here. Like, I'm not seeing any massive induction or inflection to where the market in Cardano wants to continue to drop in price, or even continue to break outside of that restriction area of about $1.50. The market is literally trading within this very tight range right now. So what we need to do, we need to make a determination as to what does it mean. Does it mean if the market in Cardano will continue to drop in price? Are people buying the market within these two lines on our chart, or are they selling? Because once that process is over, the market will move to a totally different price level. So we need to make that determination if there is buying going on here, or if the market is selling. So let's take a look at the market real quick in Cardano on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see that over the last 4 2-day price bars, the market in Cardano has been closing lower than the previous 2-day price bar, which lets us know that, yeah, the demand in Cardano is waning. I mean, when you look at the market here on the 2-day time frame, you guys can see that, yeah, we have broken the trend as well too. You see that? Right there, the market in Cardano was trending higher alongside that ascending line. Well, we broke it the last 2 3-day price bars. The market has closed lower than that ascending line. So I'm not really amped to see the bullishness into the market in Cardano right now. It is what it is. We literally just look at the price chart and it tells us precisely what is the sentiment. Realize that the price chart does not lie to us. It tells us what actually is going on in the market. And right now, by us seeing the price in Cardano break this overall trend, we need to come into the mind frame and understand that the actual strength into the market in Cardano is waning. It is what it is. There's nothing you and I can do about it. We just simply need to be prepared for whatever direction the market in Cardano is going to go. And that's one indication right there that that strength in Cardano is leaving the market. So let's look at this again on a 3-day time frame. So you all can see right here, even on a 3-day time frame, the market in Cardano has seen some areas of restriction, namely $1.50. And this is the second area of restriction right here, $1.30. So just like the market in Cardano is not trading above that ascending line that I've just drawn on the previous time frame, this is the same situation. The market in Cardano is now finding restriction at $1.30. So we need to add that to the ballpark as to why the market in Cardano is not that bullish anymore. It's because now the market will have to break back up above $1.30 just before we get that indication that the market is now entering more strength. Let's look at this on a weekly time frame. You guys can see right here on the last completed weekly price bar in the market in Cardano, right here, you guys can see that, yeah, the volume came through and the market did not even close high on the high end of that weekly price bar. We closed towards the middle, which lets us know, especially on this current weekly price bar, if we close lower on this current weekly price bar in the next 3 days and 14 hours, lower than the previous week close, then yeah, the market in Cardano is definitely weak in the long term. So keep that in mind, as well as we see the market in Cardano trade in the next 3 days and 14 hours. This is it right here. You guys can see these are 3 weekly price bars. So every price bar you see is 3 weeks worth of trading action. Okay. And over the last 3 other 3 weeks price bars, the market definitely got inflected and influx with a lot of selling. More people were in the market in Cardano selling these tokens, these cryptocurrencies in the space. And the market can only hold it so long before it reverse course and we go the opposite direction. Okay, take a look at this as well. You guys can see here that the volume in Cardano has been on the low too. We have been seeing a decrease in market volume in Cardano over the last 2 completed 3-week price bars. All right, so what do you all think the market in Cardano is going to do? Should we continue to hold our prediction, or should we get rid of it, take the profit out while we got it, and just literally expect the market to trade sideways? What do you all expect the market in Cardano to do? You know, drop the comment in the comment section. Let us know, what do you all see the market in Cardano doing over the next 3 days, right? Because on the hourly time frame, I'm still seeing some hints that the market generally is still here giving us weakness. Okay, so in actuality, I'm going to continue to keep this prediction on going into the market in Cardano. Again, we already know that $1.15 can be held as support. That was the last time that we've seen a lot of 13-hour price bars hold that area for support. So we're not going to be ignorant to not think that the market cannot prop itself up there, because it definitely can, just like we did here on this 13-hour price bar, and the market has been trading above it ever since then, right? But generally, you know, what I'm seeing into the market is not any bullishness. If anything, we're going to continue to see the market in Cardano trade within our prediction area. That's it. It is what it is for the next 3 days. If anything, we'll get that. On top of that, we can see the market in Cardano still dropping price. So we're not going to go ahead and alter our prediction. We're going to continue to keep it on going. Just wanted to come in, see our last price prediction. Do we need to change it, or are we still predicting the same thing? And we're pretty much predicting the same thing. So just let me know, you know, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you all expect the market price to be in Cardano over the next 3 days. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.